Hello everyone and welcome to the Informs Networking Lounge. We wanted to take you on a quick tour about the features that will be within this platform that you can use to meet new colleagues and peers. The first thing we want to do is show you how to join a table. So this is my icon right here. If you go double click, you're then at a new table. Hi Chris. Ooh, that was loud. Why don't you join me over at Lounge 1? You can do that by just double clicking on a seat and you'll join the rest of us over here. Hello. Alrighty, so now we're all at the table. I did want to show you, this is what they call the tile view. You can also, no, I'm sorry, this is the tile view. If you switch back to the floor view, you'll see all the tables with everyone at the top. And next, Tracy wants to show you how to start a whiteboard. We can see it on my screen here. All right. Tracy, I will interrupt you for 1 second. To add something from a file upload, you do need to double click to make sure that it shows up on the board. Great. Another feature is you could follow someone. If Tracy and I were working together, I could either follow her around the board, it goes on infinitely, or I could bring her to me if I wanted to say, oh, Tracy, look at what I'm looking at over here. Another feature that we have is the export. So if you wanted to save the whiteboard, you can go ahead and do that and save it as an image, and then your work will, you'll have that going forward. Alrighty, and obviously we're on an internet-based platform here, so sometimes people's connectivity will go in and out, which is fine. We did want to let you know about the chat feature, which is down here on the bottom of your screen. And there's 3 different types of chat you can use. You can do a private chat. Let me see if Ashley's here. Whoop. You can send to her personally. There is a table chat, so anything I type here will be seen by my table, which is Lounge 1 here. The general chat will be to everyone in the entire building. So those are 3 ways of chatting with fellow attendees. I do want to let everyone know that on each floor, there is this desk on the right side, which has the Informs logo on it. And this will be the help desk. If you're having any problems, there will be someone here that can help you. The other thing is we will be scheduling out our facilitators, which are a group of super volunteers who have agreed to help conversations. The schedule for their topics and times will be on the meeting site. And so what we'll do is we'll say, oh, well, join Ashley on floor 5 at 2 o'clock in Lounge 3. And so you can go to a new floor. And then they'll be on this floor. I'm going to go back to floor 1 where everyone else is right now. And I'm going to double click to join Lounge 1. And now I'm back in Lounge 1. So we think this is going to be a really great platform. Obviously, we'd love to be in person. We'd love to have the ability to see someone in the hall and go get a cup of coffee. We have created these smaller tables for 2 or 3 people, so you can get your own cup of coffee at home and hang out with your colleagues. And we hope you have a great meeting. Thank you.